Hey friends, if you encounter mail app error code 0x8007139f on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for the mail app on the Windows search bar. But I want you to know one thing. The mail app has been replaced by the Outlook new app. We recommend you to use this. If you really want to use the mail app, then the process is as follows. Click on app settings in the right pane. Now scroll down. Okay, you'll see that a lot of options have gone in red. So scroll down, terminate it, click on repair once and let it repair. You'll get a tick mark here in a few seconds, and that will indicate that the mail and calendar app has been fixed, and then you can reset it. Obviously uninstalling and reinstalling it does not make sense these days because Outlook new is present anyway. But this is what you can do to fix the error for the time being, and you can use the mail app. Again, we recommend against it. You can use the Outlook app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.